Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening again, mga ka-Wellsaid.
Hello everyone. Yes.
Alright, this is our
Fourth?
fourth
Oo,
episode.
fourth
no?
episode na tayo ngayon.
Alright, we wanted to simply share our thoughts and what our ideas dun sa mga simpleng pinagdadaanan ng mga katulad nating mga nasa insurance na aspire to be as successful as other FAs or managers, and we are also aspiring that.
Yeah.
And having said that, welcome to the fourth episode of
Well said.
So after discussing yung part 1 ng winning attitude, culture, and how to be successful, we want to dwell again on that topic. But before that, thank you for watching our videos. No?
Yes, salamat sa pagpanood sa pagsuporta.
Yung una nating video garnered around more than 220 views na eh. No?
Oo.
So, thank you so much sa mga nanood ng ulitan namin ni Matt. Kasi yung second, I
Yung
think
mga emotional outburst ko, pasensya na. At salamat din sa itiis nyo.
Yung sa pangalawa, may more than 100 views na rin tayo. So thank you so much. Keep it coming po. Pwede niyo po yung review no? I-audio niyo lang kung nagpa-under kayo ng kotse.
Gawin yung parang radyo, ganyan.
Oo.
Wala pa kasi kami sa Spotify. Hintayin nyo lang pag nasa Spotify na kami.
So last episode, we celebrated yung birthday ng ating ka-Wellsaid.
Salamat dun sa NBA cards.
You're welcome, pare.
Nabenta ko na din. Salamat Napaka-grateful ko no? Binenta ko yung yung regalo sa akin. Bakit ba ganun nga yung ginagawa ng iba? Iba nga nire-recycle binibigay sa iba. Diba? Then, joke lang. Nakatago yun.
Ayun, so speaking of, yung pakinabangan, yung gift na binigay sa'yo, we are also given gift by God, by giving someone who influenced us to do this thing, to be better, no? Yeah, we have our own reasons, of course, kumita, para sa pamilya and all. And sa insurance industry po kasi mga kaibigan, mga ka-Wellsaid, hindi niyo po ito kayang mag-isa.
Siguro kahit saan naman, baka nila kayanin mag-isa, kahit saang industriya kayo.
Oo, pero dito sa ating industriya, if you don't have the right support, yung impluwensya talaga sa'yo, someone who you see walk the talk, walang nonsense sa ginagawa niya, maswerte ka na. Di ba? Napakaswerte po siguro namin in our lifetime ni Matt na nakilala namin itong taong ito. And at the same time, yung grupo niya, no, na pati yung kanyang esposa na nakatrabaho namin dito. Actually, nakatrabaho na natin sila sa previous. No?
At katrabaho pa din natin sila.
Hanggang ngayon. No? And they are the ones who always motivate, always encourage. Parang wala po sa kanilang masamang tinapay.
At sa they're really molding us into something. Alam mo yun, hindi pa kasi siya masabi, pero of course, it's a better version of ourselves, no? Pero hindi lang kasi siya sa industriya. As person din as well. Tulad nga ng sinabi natin yung Wellsaid naman kasi ginagawa natin. It's not just about life insurance per se, but also about life, on how we deal with life. Kasi ang industriya kasi natin, it deals with life itself di ba? I mean, hindi siya parang construction or what. Parang malawak yung sakop niya.
And sa sinasabi niya ni Matt, dito kasi namin nakita yung pag nanalo ka, yung bagay naging successful ka, you don't be contented with it. Yung consistency mo to be a better version of yourself has got to be there. Paano ba namin to na-experience? Well, unahin ko na yung sarili ko. Nakilala ko sila to the point na parang ayoko na rin mag-call center talaga. And unfortunately nga, nagka-pandemic, pero siguro nag-give up lang ako right away nung time na yun. Pero nakilala ko itong taong to sa pamamagitan ng pag-a-apply lang din online. Nung una ko siyang nakita, bira po ako ma-intimidate sa tao, lalo na sa personal. Kasi kalbo rin ako, medyo malaki rin naman akong tao. Tapos kahit paano, kaya ko rin namang humarap sa kansinong nila lang. Pero nung nakilala ko po siya, na nagkaroon ako ng konting intimidation na ayoko siyang kausapin. Wave 45 yata kami noon, and we were composed of about 30 plus managers. None of us would like to talk to him directly and even look him straight in the eye. Ano ba yung natutunan ko nun sa kanya? Natutunan ko nun na you don't, waste your efforts. You walk your talk. Kasi siyempre, pag nagpapakilala, yung mga pinapakilala na kung sino yung speaker, di ba?
Yeah.
Nasabi yung sa kanya, galing na college, ang sinabi sa kanya ay kung ano na yung mga nagawa niya sa industriyang ito. I guess it's important din na malaman kung saan ka nagtrabaho, saan ka nag-aral, saan ka nagtrabaho before, saan yung mga nakuha mong accolades and stuff like that. Pero napaka-importante na nalaman ko sa taong to yung kanyang winning attitude towards the industry na pinasok niya. I'm gonna share a little bit more, pero yung sa'yo naman bro, how did you meet this person?
Ako, siguro kasi nga, sa previous company na nasan ako, no? I just saw this guy talaga. And then this mentor. I mentor, mentor type, mentor English, mentor. Basta yon. Alam niyo na yon. Google niyo na lang kung ano yung gusto niyo sabihin ko, di ba? Hindi, one of the assembly or rally, sales assembly or rally doon sa previous company ko. Sabi ko, galing na to, napaka-passionate to. Yung iba nagsasalita
Grabe,
ng
no?
mic.
Grabe yung fire, no?
Oo. Kung nagsasalita ng mic, ito, poses na lang.
Walang
Ayos ah.
May nalunok na lapel.
May nalunok na megaphone. Ako po, baka mapanood nyo talaga tayo.
Yari na. Peace, boss.
Po. Hindi naman sa hindi naman natin sa bini-build up siya. Pero, ang galing kasi talaga, sobrang na Sabi ko, I want to be mentored by this person talaga. That time, pa yun eh. Basta siya, gulat ka, malaking tao siya noon talaga. Malaking tao siya.
Teka lang, hindi mo sabihin lumiit siya ngayon.
Hindi. Basta,
Ano na, lobo? Na-deflate?
Lobo.
Nung parang nakita ko rin yan, nung super fit pa siya, tapos parang may mallet pa yan. Parang, ito mga artista yon yung leader ng Kwan, ng banda.
Sino yan?
Butang ko yung
Buhay na ba ako
pangalan.
yan?
Boy na boy. Boy na boy. Pero kidding aside in everything that we do, to get a winning mindset, of course it has to come from you.
Oo. Saka,
But, sorry, go ahead.
Oo. Yung nakita ko nga siya. No? Diba? Sabi ko nga, lakas ang boss niya. Siya lang. Ilan yung nasa SMS.
Hindi pa siya naglalakad doon, no? Talaga nandun lang siya,
nasa
no?
Marriott nga ata kami ng Grand Ballroom. Tapos, nandun, nakita ko siya. Malusog talaga siya noon. Malusog ako. Yan, malaki malusog. Tapos,
bumawi ka na.
Bumawi ako. Tapos isang beses, nagulat ako, nung 2018 ata to, I'm not sure, 2018, 2019. Gulat ako, nasa na yun? Ang payat, sobrang
Yun yung fit na fit siya, no?
Oo, sabi ko, grabe, anong transformation, iniisip ko.
Yung ano niya, no?
Nagkasakit kaya to, or what?
Yung focus niya dun sa, nasabi niya to sa amin o sa akin niya, na nag-focus siya to a certain weight. And, he got it.
Oo, grabe.
Talagang yung energy, everything, yung sinabi niya sa sarili niya, kunin ko itong ganitong weight. Okay na, ako. Ano kayo?
Yun nga, parang sabi nga, diba, when he wants to get something done. He goes and gets it.
Exactly.
Sabi ko, ang galing. Sabi ko, ay, ang dami kong matututunan sa tao to. Kaya sinabi ko, kung nasan akong division ng time na yon, lilipat ako dito kung nasan siya.
Yeah.
Lilipat ako. Gusto ko talaga lumipat, promise. Kasi, ang tagal ko na sa industriya. Parang, at that time, parang nasa 5 years, 7 years na ata ako.
10 years ka na nun, ha?
Oo, 10 years na ako. Pero parang wala akong natututunan. Not to sa mga previous managers ko. Hindi naman sa
like it's not upskilling you.
Oo. Hindi naman sa wala kayong kwenta or what. Of course, I've really learned a lot from you. Pero
Huwag ka nang mag-excuse.
kasi baka I'm sure napapanood ka ng iba eh. Kaya sorry po. Pero hindi, nung may natutunan ako sa inyo, ganda lang pinapagsama ko lahat.
Pero na-reinforce ni sir.
Oo. Sabi ko, I wanna learn a lot from this guy. Kaso, hindi nga ako pinayagan lumipat. So,
right.
Then,
Kaya nga yun eh, di ba yung last topic natin?
Kaya nga, dito na kami.
Yung God's plan. No?
Yung kanila.
It might
Last
hinder
time.
you on your initial plan, but
And the promotion.
here you are now.
Diba?
Di ba? So yeah, going further.
Winner na. Diba?
Yeah, going further to that. Marami kasing maraming feelings of negativity pagka hindi ka napagbigyan ng
Yeah,
kliyente.
totoo.
Maraming feelings of to the point of depression na hindi mo nakuha yung kliyente na to as I shared initially nung prior to this podcast.
Mm.
Napakasarap na meron kang mentor
Totoo.
or leader who more like a SpongeBob ba na taga-absorb mo, and then in his very own try to use that for you to be more motivated.
Mm.
Hindi ko sinasabing hindi niya tayo pinagagalitan because he has his own scolding ways, di ba?
Oo.
Pero ang maganda dun sa
Gusto bang maranasan?
ang maganda ko kasing nakikita dun sa approach ni Sir towards our topic is you really see someone who won it already but does not stop to win it again.
Totoo.
This is probably a level up to being consistent. This is more than persistency. This is more than being always there. This is more than reliability. So when you see someone who manifests this kind of character, not just in this industry, siguro sa tatay mo, sa tropa mo, magkakaroon ka ng sense of not just an admiration, may sense ka na ng adulation to be part of their group.
Yeah.
So yung gusto mo na, tulad yan sa'yo mo, gusto mo maging part ng grupo na ito, hindi ka lang napagbigyan. Ako rin nung in-interview niya nga ako, roughly about 4 or 5 months ago, the smile on my face cannot be hidden. Na-interview niya ako sa kotse, nag-drive pa ako. Pero alam mo yun, I parked somewhere and then tinapos ko talaga kasi this is someone I really look up to, and I know with this person, with this tutelage, with this mentorship, if I can't succeed today, I know I will because syempre yung mindset ko pa rin, BPO pa rin kasi. So sabi ko, whatever happens, what I will do is I will not do the same thing that I did nung nasa Blue pa ako, which was quitting. So today, whatever happens to whatever kind of fields or departments na meron ako sa team ko, if it did not meet its qualification, whatever happens is I will not quit.
Yeah.
I will still be here knowing na someone is supportive as him, the group, you, knowing Ma'am Nelby, di ba? Yung ganun. So ikaw, any particular experience kay Sir, bukod doon na una mo siyang nakita, now nakasama mo na siya sa work? Yung sa scolding part, sige nga, kaya mong share?
Scolding part? Wala naman masyado.
Wala naman
Wala naman, sabi nga niya, nagbago na siya.
Nagbago na. Totoo naman yan, Sir.
Hindi siya palaging nagagalit.
Kasi nung sa Blue pa siya, talagang, no?
Oo, kahit yung mga nasa academy kami, pagalitan, pati na dyan, doon kayo sa loob. pero naman, mabait na tao talaga. Mabilis mawala yung galit. Saka, trabaho lang din talaga.
So his ability to move forward from things, no?
Mabilis.
Napakabilis.
Sobra bilis.
Para siyang merong, yung correction tape, no? Nagkamali yan, mali. Tapos papatungan niya nung tama. Yun na, okay na.
Actually, madami. Ako kasi yung tao na ino-observe ko lang siya. Siguro matagal na kami kasama, siguro 2 years na. No-observe ko lang siya kung paano niya ginagawa yung mga bagay-bagay pa na kinakausap mga tao. Doon ako natututo Mina-absorb ko din lahat kung paano siya. Silently, no? Pero nakita mo iba yung kung if you're gonna compare me nung pumasok ako sa kanya, sabi ko, layo na ng narating ko. I mean, yung the way I think, the way I deal with things, alam mo yun, kung paano ko i-handle din yung mga problema, yung mga bagay-bagay, and how to really focus on what really matters most. Nandun sabi ko, oo nga, ito pa rin nakukuha ko. It's not just about mentorship doon sa industry, but it really mentors you personally.
Yung personality.
Yung character mo, na-develop din talaga. Di ba? So, ano lang yan people always see the tip of the iceberg.
Yeah.
I mean, lahat ng mga sinasabi, kahit sino pa yan na hanap na mentor mo, kung sino magaling, sasabihin mo, alam ko na yan, ganyan, alam ko na yan, ganyan. Pero once you get to see the vision of that person, yung drive niya, yung direction, kung titingnan mo pa yung ilalim ng iceberg, grabe, ang lalim ng makukuha. Ang dami mong makukuha.
At ikaw magsasabi sa sarili mo na he's the akma person and mentor for you.
Yes, and para sa'yo talaga.
If you wanna put English to it, fit na fit siya sa aspirations.
Kung ano mang hinahanap mo or what. Hindi naman siya si Daniel Padilla na nasa kanya na yung lahat. Pero
nasa iyo na.
di ba? Pero kasi, ano siya eh, basta, marami, full of wisdom. This person is really full of wisdom. And sabi ko nga, tagal ko sa industriya. Pero I'm still really learning a
Oh,
lot.
he also celebrated
Yes.
his birthday a couple of months back.
Yes.
So yeah, this episode is ode to our mentor. No? He will be one of our guests on our
Soon.
10th episode.
Uh-huh.
But we're trying to magnify and amplify here is as part of our winning attitude, culture, and to be successful in this industry, is you should know which leader you follow or who is it that you will follow para dun sa mga aspirational things mo sa buhay.
Yeah.
Because for all it's worth, maski man sa bahay, di ba, may tatay o nanay tayo na nag-lead sa mga different aspects of the household. Ganon din sa trabaho. If your leader will lead you to somewhere that you will not just earn money, but also improve your personality, improve your manhood, improve your whoever that you are. And after a couple of months, sabi mo, a couple of years, you realize, I'm a better version of myself.
Oo, sobrang layo.
Yeah, so we encourage you to do that. And baka naman, nandito rin kami, baka gusto niyong samahan kami na tignan kung siya yung tamang leader din para sa inyo.
Yeah.
And frankly enough, he's not the type of leader na, I guess I could say this out loud, hindi siya yung from a face value, yung frontal value na, gusto ko tong leader right away. No. Sabi nga, do not judge the book by its cover. You have got to read from front page to the back page, synopsis, appendix, and everything to learn a lot of things from this guy.
From that person. Yes.
And we are very fortunate na, from our standpoint, we don't have to pay for it no more because we are with him on our very own whim. He call us for any meetings. He chat us. Whenever he chat me, I feel so privileged. Kasi di ba?
Binigyan ka ng oras, no?
CEO, di ba? CEO. Ilang piraso tayo rito. Chinachat niya ako on his very own time. Regardless sa niya ako chinachat, it's my responsibility to reply to him.
So, and I guess, kapadala mo mo, hindi ka pa mag-reply. No? Parang ako minsan, hindi ko nasasagot
busy
yung tawag.
Busy ka, hindi ka mag-reply.
Busy ka? Ano, mas busy ka pa kaysa sa akin?
Kaysa sa akin. Kaya nga. So, and in his line of leadership, he created also a lot of leaders.
Yeah.
Na much like you, di ba? Tapos yung akin ding branch head, no? Hindi ko rin muna siya mamaginig kasi he will be one of our guests din.
Actually, yung branch head mo, sobrang mentor niya rin talaga. Pero nga, sabi mo nga, marami kang matututunan. Mapapagalitan ka, mapapag-iitan ka minsan. Pero kapag malalim nga yung point of view mo, it's for your own benefit, it's for your own good. Sometimes you just have to endure things na kunyari napapagalitan tayo na kung sino-sino.
Yeah.
Baka kasi mamaya, it's for your own good din naman.
Of course.
Kasi sabi mo kanina, do not judge the book by its cover. Ako, ano ko ulit to, yung iceberg, di ba? Don't always look at the tip of the iceberg. Doon sa malalim. Pero iceberg ako ng iceberg. Kasi last time, KFC. Icebergs, baka naman. Di ba?
Kompleto na yung meal natin.
Oo, wala pa tayo nag-sponsor. Sana may mag-sponsor tayo sa susunod. Icebergs.
Next time, may mag-aaral na Amerito ng food, may parang pa-sponsor na.
Kung sino mag-sponsor sa amin, baka naman.
Yeah, ang sabi nga raw nila, pag yung isang leader daw creates many versions, mini versions of himself. Ibig sabihin talaga, he's a great leader than most. And us talking today is that manifestation. I mean, this is not to put him on a pedestal and all. This is just us giving credit to where it is due.
Yeah.
This is just us telling you guys na we are on the right platform. We may be as successful as you want us to be or as we want us to be. But we know for a fact that with this tutelage, that with this leadership, we can go there. Haste make waste. If in the event we succeeded right away, and then we are not consistent on it because there's no leader to guide us, superficial lang yun.
Yeah.
So yung iceberg lang yun, di ba?
Yes.
So,
Inconsistency, wala.
Ang masarap sa pagiging kasama niya sa trabaho ay nagkaroon kami ng kaakmaan to work towardly, yun nga, yung akma is appropriate, no? Towards our own aspirational whatever that we wanted to accomplish.
Yeah.
And I'm very happy, tulad na sinabi mo, amazed ka dun sa mga kabataan ngayon na gusto nila maging FAs or whatnot.
Magaling.
I guess this is one of his virtue in the future.
Yeah.
Legacy na gusto niyang iiwan.
Yes.
Not to say na matanda na si sir, pero
Oo.
ito yung gusto niyang mangyari talaga na, wow, no? Really, nung nagsimula yung podcast natin, ito yung sinabi natin, this is a subject na hindi binigyan ng talagang
Ng pansin.
ng concentration deep enough for us to say na pag-graduate ko, maalala ko yun.
Oo.
Diba?
Kaya nga, I think, alam ko parang baka mamaya in the long run, maging part na ng subject or course yung financial literacy or financial advisory. We don't know, pero I'm sure yun yung gusto niyang mangyari din.
Mm.
And yun nga, tulad nga na yung sabi mo din sa mga siya kasi gusto niya to raise different set of financial advisors kasi pare-pareho na eh. Yung mga financial advisors, yung mga agents, pare-pareho na ng ginagawa
Right.
eh. But this time, gusto niyang maiba.
Yeah.
Gusto yung maging iba yung image ng mga financial advisors ngayon kumpara doon sa dati.
Yeah.
Di ba?
And to piggyback on that, one of the most material things I can say na nagmamanifest because of his leadership is that companies would like to be part of his company.
Yeah.
If that's saying out loud out there. Pero, I mean, come on, give yourself a break. Stand back. And then you have a company. How would you like to grow? Of course, gusto mo na may mga sumama sa iyong company.
Yeah.
But if that company is not amenable to whatever you're offering in the public, they wouldn't. But this person, how many companies na ba meron tayong ka-affiliate? Huwag natin banggitin, pero bilangin lang natin.
If I'm not mistaken, 8 or 9.
8 or 9, di ba?
Yeah.
So, this is also one of our major difference sa ibang insurance firms because our leader gets to have this company to affiliate with us. And how is this being done? The propagation of these companies sa pagiging affiliates nila sa atin, panagpipresent sila every other General Assembly namin.
Yeah.
So, I don't know what else to say, but thank you for giving us the opportunity to be your member.
Yeah, totoo. And being mentored by you.
By you.
Actually kasi, sa buhay, kailangan talaga natin ng mentor.
Yes.
Mapa-work yan, mapa-sports, alam mo yun, life. Kaya nga, di ba, may mga life coaches din, may mga coach sa basketball, or mga motivational speaker, mga ganyan. May mga Coach Mav, ganyan. Coach Mav, baka naman. Joke lang. I-ano natin sila para lumaki. Hindi, pero, I mean, yun nga, yung mentor kasi is really important. Kasi, having a mentor will also keep you grounded na hindi mo pwede sabihin na magaling ka na sa lahat ng bagay.
Dahil yan, yung taong yan, dami niya na-achieve eh. Diba?
Oo, na-achieve ko na itong posisyon na to, magaling na ako. I don't need to be mentored by anyone already. I mean, yung learning kasi is continuous eh. Yung growth natin is continuous eh. We learn from people. And I'm sure pati yung mentor natin, he's also learning from other people as well. I mean, people learn from people. Diba?
Kaya nga rin, hindi ako nagtataka na yung kanyang recruitment propensity program is being also used by a major company, a major insurance firm, and on his previous insurance firm, it's still being used. And it's something of a bragging right ba? To say na may mga nire-recruit nga yung boss namin na mga acclaimed na tao, pero they still wish to be part of us.
Yes.
And that's not to say na magaling na siyang mambola, pero of course, the value proposition of whatever we're trying to offer in the market by you putting the right efforts just to simply win in this industry is there. No? So, to somehow conclude in many ways, itong second topic natin about winning, it's not just about your effort.
Yes.
It's also about the people surrounding you to have you those efforts done. Mahirap kasing kumilos mag-isa kung wala kang sumusuporta sa'yo.
Totoo. Ano yan eh, collective effort kasi yan. Hindi lang pwedeng ikaw. Of course, support system mo must always be there. Your mentor, lahat eh. If you're able to collect everything you got from this person, sa'yo, or kung kanino man, lahat. Diba? You'll find yourself thinking na, grabe, iba na pala talaga ako ngayon. I mean, yung thinking mo, yung mindset mo, ganito ako dati, pero ngayon, iba na ako eh. Kumbaga parang nagbago yung buhay ko dahil dito sa ano pala sharing eh.
And in thinking of those things, you're also earning.
Yeah,
diba?
oo.
So,
I mean,
it's a win-win situation.
Oo.
Kaya naman mga ka-well said, if you think na, you need to discuss these things na pinag-uusapan, medyo ambiguous siguro,
Mm.
you can reach out to us. Send us a comment, PM us sa YouTube channel namin.
Yes.
We'll be more than happy to have you meet our mentor.
Mm.
Hindi siya nag-i-interview talaga na parang interviewan na, Pinoy Big Brother type. Hindi ganun. You just simply let your soul out.
Yeah.
And regardless of may sales experience ka o wala, if he see a value in you or a potential in you, I guess you get it.
Just do your part. Yun lang naman. Always do your part.
Mm.
I mean, don't just keep on asking na sana, kunyari, papa-mentor ako. So, ito po kasi gusto ko, ganyan. Oh, ilalatag nga sa'yo. Pero you have to do your part at the same time.
Kasi conversely yan, no? Kailangan laging two sides of things yung may kinikilos.
Yes.
And on our succeeding podcasts, we will also be sharing people who's definitely winners on their own rights.
Yes.
We
Abangan
we were fortunate enough to be given an opportunity to talk.
Oh,
Not
and
really
to-
interview, no?
Yeah, to meet these people.
To meet
Actually, before we just get to just watch these people
Oh,
sa TV.
sa TV.
Oo, sa TV.
Na ngayon, makakasama na natin. no?
Actually, I got to play.
Pero wag kang mahihilang dun sa first guest natin. Baka
Oo nga.
magpagupit ka rin
Yeah.
nun.
Actually, tawag dito, I was lucky enough and fortunate enough na makalaro kayong iba sa kanila.
Right.
Ganyan. Pero, I mean, syempre, that's a game eh. Pero, and I'm sure, mas marami rin tayo matututunan sa kanila when we
Absolutely.
get to talk to them.
And that's why this podcast that we do is not just predicated on our experiences, but also other experiences. Kasi this is not just about us. This is about the industry in itself, our company that we're part of, and the group that we're affiliated with. And we'll be more than happy to share that with you on our next podcast. So watch out for that. And in addition to that, if in case you think, pagdating ng araw na nakausap na natin itong mga winners na ito, di ba? And you wanna suggest na sinong i-guest namin na
Yes.
may business na rin mga, siguro celebrity.
Or kung ano bang gusto nyong malaman about sa kanila.
Ah.
Tulungan nyo kami kung paano mag-reach out sa kanila. Hindi, joke.
Try natin, siguro try din natin mag-live minsan. Paano kaya yan? No?
Pwede. Yeah.
Mas interactive kaya, no? Pero ganun. Kasi isa sa kanila, nakakasama talaga namin dito. And he's a very well-known personality in the basketball field, locally, and I think internationally na rin, no? Kasi nag-training naman sila ron. But we really look forward to not just talking to him, but also having his side of things, kung ano masishare niya sa inyo, mga ka-Wellsaid.
Yes. And if may mga ibang topic din kayo na gusto nyo ipa-discuss sa amin, just let us know. Comment lang kayo, no? Pero of course, mag-subscribe muna kayo at saka i-share and like nyo
Right.
yung page namin.
If subscribing is a little too heavy for you, a like and share will be okay na rin po.
Yes.
Maraming pong salamat.
Alright.
So I guess that's it for our podcast for today. And this is
Well said.